Hello students, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching this video. Now in the last class I have dictated you qualitative analysis. In that I have told you कि suppose this is one organic compound and which we have seen carbon, hydrogen, HCl. Then Prabhat phosphorus है, Prabhat sir has no meaning, nitrogen, no X, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Whenever we have studied qualitative analysis, over there we have seen that we have to know about the topic that organic compound contain carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Means carbon and hydrogen organic compound will contain or not. This has been dictated by Liebig's, and phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine has been dictated by Lessegini. And that is known as qualitative analysis. This types of element is present in the particular organic compound or not. Now we are going to see the amount of these types of element. The amount of carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine and iodine in organic compound. And that is called, this part is known as qualitative, that I have already dictated in the last class. This part is known as quantitative analysis. Now we are going to see the first method. In the first part, Liebig has dictated us about the qualitative also, and in quantitative also Liebig has been dictated. Means what I am trying to say, first I will take the given weight, and you know that in chemistry weight and mass is same. So given weight of organic compound is W gram. What is the gram? W gram. Some W gram is the given weight of organic compound. Now I am going to start this topic once again. Very good morning, good evening, good afternoon, boys and girls. Good afternoon, sir. How are you all? Good, sir. What about you, sir? Directly proportional, without any proportionality constant. In the last class, I have dictated you qualitative analysis. In that qualitative analysis, I have dictated you that organic compound contain carbon, hydrogen, that has been given by Liebig. Phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine has been given by Lessegini. Now we are going to see what is the amount of that element present in the organic compound. In that, before starting this topic, I have taken the weight of organic compound as W gram. First method is the Liebig methods. Liebig method. And Liebig method is used to detect in qualitative as carbon and hydrogen is present or not. And that is also used to find percentage of carbon or hydrogen in organic compound. Whenever I have dictated you qualitative analysis, what I have dictated you over there? What, sir? I have told you to take organic compound, react that organic compound with copper oxide, with copper oxide. It will either give carbon dioxide or it will either give H2O. Now suppose we have to find what is the amount. We are studying about amount. So I am considering that in the question they have given weight of carbon dioxide is W1 gram, and they have given weight of water as W2 gram. Means in the question also I will solve. They will definitely give you the weight of organic compound, that is 100% sure. They will definitely give you the weight of carbon dioxide if you have to find the percentage, and they will definitely give you the weight of water. Over here, according to Liebig, direct formula you can use, and that formula is percentage of carbon is 12 by 44 into weight of carbon dioxide. W1 is the weight of carbon dioxide upon W is the weight of organic compound into 100. Sir, direct formula we have to learn for this chapter. For this chapter, direct formula we have to learn. Best part or worst part is that whenever they will ask you the percentage of carbon and hydrogen, they will not write Liebig method. They will simply ask. But after that, I will dictate you Dumas method, Kagidal method. Over there, especially, they will mention the name solve or find the weight of these by using Dumas method or by Carriers method or by Kasdal method. But for Liebig method, they will not write the name. They will directly ask the percentage of carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So either you can use this formula. Question arises, sir, how I will get this formula? So see, what I have done, I have used the unitary method. In percentage of carbon, I am saying कि carbon dioxide produced, what is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide? Sir, molecular weight of CO2 is 44 gram. What is the molecular weight of carbon? Sir, molecular weight of carbon is 12 gram. So you can say कि in 44 gram 12 in 44 gram CO2, in 44 gram CO2 12 gram carbon is there. In 44 gram CO2 how many gram carbon is there? 12 gram. So in 1 gram CO2 how many gram carbon will come? Sir, unitary method 12 by 44 gram carbon will come. So in weight of organic compound W, how many gram of carbon dioxide will come? So sir, it will come 12 by 44. 1 second. In W 1 gram of carbon dioxide, means question understood. They will tell you the question also I will write, don't worry. First I will tell you that this total topic directly formula, if you will learn, it is a good purpose, it is a good idea. 4 to 5 formula you have to learn directly. But for this I am dictating you the logic also how I have got the formula, because in Liebig method, other method you have to learn directly formula, no logic. Directly formula, put the formula, get the result. But Liebig method, we can prove the formula also. Suppose they will ask you that we have 0.2 gram of organic compound in which 0.21 gram or 0.1 gram of carbon is there, carbon dioxide is there. So now find the percentage of carbon. What you will do? The first you will say that in 44 gram CO2, 12 gram carbon is there. So in 1 gram, 12 by 44. So in W1 gram, some weight of carbon dioxide is given in the question. So what you will write? 12 by 44 into W1 gram of carbon. So this is the total weight of carbon coming. We have to find the percentage of carbon. So what is the logic? You know that suppose you got 200 marks, out of 500 you have to find percentage. So what you are doing? 200 by 500 into 100. So this is the weight of compound carbon dioxide divided by weight of organic compound into 100. If we will design it properly, we can write 12 by 44 into W1 by W into 100. Same formula I have written over here. 12 by 44 into W by W into 100. Similarly, if we will have to find the percentage of hydrogen, what you will say? Weight of hydrogen 2 gram. Molecular weight of water 18 gram into W2 given weight of water upon W into 100. Same logic कि in 18 gram H2O 2 gram hydrogen, तो in 1 gram H2O 2 by 18 gram hydrogen, तो in W2 gram H2O 2 by 18 into W2 gram hydrogen. तो percentage of hydrogen will be weight of total hydrogen W2 by weight of organic compound into 100. If you will arrange it, what you will get? Percentage of hydrogen 2 by 18 into W2 by W into 100. So I will suggest you all, instead of doing all this bakwas you can do for Liebig method only. But I will suggest learn this formula and learn this formula. You are able to solve each and every question. Suppose I will write one question over here. Now this is the question we will have. How we will solve this question? On complete combustion of 0.2 gram of organic compound, yani weight of organic compound I have taken W is 0.25 gram. They give 0.2 gram of carbon dioxide, yani W1, that is weight of carbon dioxide is 0.2 gram. And 0.1 gram of water, yani W2 is equals to 0.1 gram. Why I have taken W1, W2? Previously I have dictated like that only. Now over here, if you have to find the percentage of carbon, what you will write? 12 by 44 into W1 by W into 100, that is 12 by 44. W1 is 0.2, W2 is 0.25 into 100. Now if you will solve it, what you will say? Ki sir, from here we will remove decimal here, 1 extra 10 coming, 25 4 ja 100. What you are getting? 12 by 44 into 2 into 10 into 4. This is coming. If you will solve it very properly, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 11, 2 6. If you will multiply it, 6 4 ja 24, 240 divided by 11, 11 2 ja 22, 23 24, 11 1 ja 11, 9 is the carry, 11 8 ja 88. Approximately percentage of carbon is 21.8%. That's it. For put the formula, get the result. This total chapter is only for formula. Suppose percentage of hydrogen, what you will say? Sir, percentage of hydrogen equals to 2 by 18 into W1, W2 by W into 100. What is 2? 2 is 2. 18 is 18. W2 is what? W2 is 0.1 gram. The 0.1. W1 is still the same, 0.25. 0.25 into 100. This decimal you will remove. What you will get? Over here 100. This you will remove. You will get 10. 0, 0 cancelled. From here, what you will say? Ki sir, 25, 4 ja 100, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18. What you are getting? 2 2 ja 4 and 1 0, 40 by 9. 9 4 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36. Percentage of hydrogen is 4.4 and percentage of carbon is 21.8. Topic done. Life settled. Understood or not understood? Okay, sir. This much easy it is. Yes, sir. Yes, this much easy it is. Understood the point. Next question we will have from your assignment. What is the question, sir? If we will see the question, this question is there in JEE Mains ask. On combustion of 2.10 gram of an organic compound, what is the weight of organic compound? 0.210 gram. Carbon and hydrogen percentage asking in which? The water is W2. I am taking all the time. You can take anything but W2 gram. Carbon dioxide W1 0.307 gram. अब they are asking percentage of carbon and hydrogen. Percentage of carbon formula, what you will use? Sir, percentage of carbon is 12 by 44 into W1 by W into 100. So, sir, it will be 12 by 44 into W1 is the weight of carbon dioxide is 0.307. W weight is 0.210 into 100. Now I am not going to solve it, just solve. Now suppose percentage of hydrogen, sir, 2 by 18 into W1 by W2 by W into 100. That is 2 by 18. What is W2? W2 is 0.127 upon W is 0.210 into 100. Solve it, you will get the answer. Here you will get the percentage of carbon answer. And here you will get the percentage of hydrogen answer. That's it. Understanding what I am trying to say or total moe happen? No, sir. Understanding now. It means what I am suggesting ki instead of doing all the calculation, just use this formula. With this formula, I will get the answer. So first, we have done the Liebig method to find the percentage of carbon and hydrogen. For percentage of carbon, formula is 12 by 44 into W1 by W into 100. If you will forgot how I will get 12, so 12 is the weight of carbon and 44 is the weight of carbon dioxide. Percentage of hydrogen is the weight of hydrogen by weight of water. अच्छा sir, hydrogen weight तो 1, why you have taken 2? तो H2O contain 2 hydrogen ना, so I have taken 2 upon 18 into W1 by W2 by W into 100. Put the formula, get the result. If they have any place, they will ask the question like this. Now I hope you understood Liebig method very easily. Now we are going to see the second method for the second estimation, and we have done 20-25 question also. Now second method, and the name of the method is called Dumas method. Now it is used to find the percentage of nitrogen. Dumas method. And Dumas method is used to find the percentage of nitrogen. Fixed method, fixed compound. It is used to find, and again I am saying, if not getting anything, please 2 to 3 times watch. Don't waste the time in just saying not getting anything, please. Now you are 12th class or 11th class. You are talented now. If you will see 1 to 2 times, it will become very easy to find the percentage of nitrogen. Dumas method is used to find the percentage of nitrogen. Over here, now from now onwards, I will not give the short tricks like that given na ki 12 gram, this formula directly you have to learn. Formula directly you have to learn now. Now onwards, no tricks, only formula. Because formula is much easier than to do any questions regarding this. Formula is P minus P1 by T1 into V1 will give P2 V2 by T2. After using this formula, after understood the point, P minus P1 into V1 by T1, after using is equals to P2 V2 by T2. With this formula, you are able to find V2. Understood? You are able to find V2 from it. From this formula, you have to find V2. And always you will get V2 in milliliter. Sir, what is P, what is P1, everything I will dictate, don't worry. Over here, Dumas method is used to find the percentage of nitrogen. Over here, if you will ask me, sir, what is P? So, P is the pressure of moist gas. Question also I will solve, don't worry. Sir, P1 is the aqueous tension of water. Sir, V1 is the volume at temperature T1. Volume at temperature T1. Sir, what is T1? Temperature in Kelvin. Now, sir, what is P2? P2 is pressure of gas at STP, and that is fixed 760 millimeter of Hg. Yani P2 value is always Hg. P2 value is always fixed, and T2 is, sir, T2 is temperature at STP. STP means standard temperature pressure, and it is also fixed 273 Kelvin. It means in this formula P2 is fixed, T2 is fixed. P1, B1, T1, P, they will given in the questions. Understood the point? Once you will find the volume from here, after finding the volume, you have to use the another formula, and that formula is percentage of nitrogen is 28 by 22400 into V2, what you have found from the previous formula in milliliter, divided by W into 100. W is the weight of organic compound. W is the weight of organic compound. Acha, understood. Everyone, don't get confused and nervous. Again, what I have said, just see it properly. 2.5x you will do, 1.5x and see. First I have told you कि quantitative analysis na and qualitative analysis 2 part. In that qualitative analysis, previous video, I have dictated you Liebig method and Lessig method to identify that organic compound will contain carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine or iodine or not. Now we are going to see, find the amount. What is the amount of that? First, Liebig method. These two formula you have to learn without any confusion. Percentage of carbon is this formula, percentage of hydrogen is this formula. Any question will come, you are able to do it very properly without any exception. Similarly, I have done some questions over there to dictate you. Second part, Dumas method. First formula you have to learn like this, and with this formula you are able to find V2 value. P2 is fixed 760, T2 is fixed 273. Remaining all value will be given in the question. Now after finding the V2 value, you have to use the percentage of nitrogen is 28 by 22400 into V2 by W into 100. V2 that you have found in the previous formula, W is the weight of organic compound. Understood this point? Now, suppose I am going to write one question on this way. Now we will have some questions. I will solve and you will understood it. Similarly, we have seen one question over here. Before seeing this question, definitely, other than Liebig method, they will definitely write the name. Once the Dumas method will come, I will not read out the question. First, I will say, what is the formula we have studied, sir? P minus P1 upon T1 into V1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. Over here, sir, P not defined, P1, P minus P1 upon T1 into V1 is equals to P2 is always 760, V2 we have to find, and T2 is 273. I will put this and then I will read out the question. Acha, 0.6 gram of organic compound. W value is not used in this formula. Acha, gave this much centimeter cube of nitrogen. Cc means centimeter cube. So they have given 466 cc. 466 cc means they have given V1. What they have given? V1. What is the value of V1? Understanding point or not? Yes, sir. Understanding, sir, what you are saying. They have given V1 as 466 centimeter cube. Now, we have 466 centimeter cube. Volume already given. Okay. To make this calculation easy, I will cancel 466 as 46. That much calculation why we will do. Just digit changing. Don't worry about it. Okay. The 46 centimeter cube volume V1 is given. Because V2 we have to find, so definitely V2 to not given. P2 already given, T2 already given. So now we have to find V1, we got 46. H2 at 17 degrees Celsius. T2 is given, it means T1 is given. How much? 15 degrees Celsius, sorry. 15 degree Celsius. Convert that into Kelvin. So what you will do? Sir, over here 273 plus 15. 538, 288 Kelvin value is the T1. Okay, T1 we got, V1 we got. P. Acha, pressure is 755. P value is also given. P value is also given. How much? 755 mmHg. Acha, aqueous tension of water is given. P1 value also given. 15 mmHg. Job done. Now over here put it. What is the P value? Sir, 755 minus. What is the P1 value? 15. Divided by, what is the T1 value? 288, not 888. 288 into, what is the V1 value? 76. Is equals to, this I am not writing here because a space is not there. Now from here, what you will say? Ki sir, 755 minus 15. 047 740 by 288 into 76 is equals to, sorry, 76 or 46. Don't get nervous and confused. Digit I am just putting, sorry. Over here 46 is equals to 760 into V2 by 273. Now if you will cut this part, you will get this 0 and this 0 getting cancelled out. 2 3 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 8 ja. So from here V2 you will get 37 into 273 into 46 divided by 288 into 38. Okay, 288, 219, 223. Now you will solve it. So V2 you will get after calculating this something you will get V2 value. Suppose I am not going to calculate this much, you will calculate it. Now after calculating, suppose you will get something value as V2 as 100, suppose just 100. Now you have to find percentage of nitrogen. What is the formula you have seen for percentage of nitrogen? 28 by 22400 into V2 in volume in milliliter by weight of organic compound into 100. Handwriting is going to be a little bit smaller because space is less, but over here W value is given 0.16. It means what you will do here, you will put 0.16, and after putting this some value you have got V2 from here, you will put V2 value over here, calculate it, you will get the percentage of nitrogen. Understood or not understood? Again, what I have done, first I have written this first formula. In this formula, I am trying to find what is P, what is, how you will know that the P1 is aqueous tension. If any temperature is given, that must be T1 because T2 is fixed 273. If any pressure is given, that must be either P or P1. P1 is aqueous tension, P will be the remaining pressure. P2 is already given. If any volume is given, that is V1. I have put all this value and try to find the value of V2. This much calculation will come. I have not solved it. Just I have written 100 approximation. I am not saying 100 will come. That is, you also know that, but calculate it. Calculation is a little bit complicated regarding this chapter, to practice the calculation. After that, Up to now not completed. You have just find V2. After finding it, you will use the formula percentage of nitrogen is 28 by 22400 into V2, what you have got from here, upon weight of organic compound is given in the question into 100. Solve this, you will get this answer. Understood this part, everyone? Ha sir, understood. Now come to the not understood, then try to see again and try to solve it. Okay, next, an organic compound is estimated through Dumas method, was found to be 6 mole of CO2. Achha, this question is little bit different. 6 mole of CO2. I have dictated you, suppose H2SO4, someone will give 2 mole. So what is the mole of hydrogen? How many hydrogen is there? 2. So 2 into 2, 4 mole of hydrogen. What is the mole of sulfur? Sir, sulfur is only 1. The 2 into 1, that is 2 mole of sulfur. What is the mole of oxygen? Sir, 4 oxygen. So oxygen is 2 into 4, that is 8 mole. Similarly, over here in the question, they have given 6 mole of carbon. It means what is the carbon dioxide? What is the mole of carbon? 6. 4 mole of water. 4 mole of H2O. So what is the mole of hydrogen? The 2 hydrogen is there. The 4 into 2, that is 8. 1 mole of nitrogen gas. It means 1 mole of N2, nitrogen gas given. If they have given 1 mole of nitrogen atom, then you have to multiply it with 2. Over here, what is the mole of nitrogen also? Sir, 1 by 2 you will not do, no, because nitrogen always found at gas 1 mole. Now they are asking what is the molecular formula for this compound. What you will say? Sorry, by mistake. What is the molecular formula for this compound? What you will say? Sir, they have given, first of all, 1 mole of nitrogen gas they have given. How many nitrogen is there? 2 nitrogen. So 1 into 2. What is the formula coming? C6H8N2. And this is the molecular formula for this compound. Understood or not understood? Again, don't get confused. This question is little bit different. What you will have to see, not like the formula, the data is not given again. Organic compound contain estimated through Dumas method. Yes sir. Okay, nitrogen is there means Dumas method. Was found to be 6 mole of carbon dioxide. 6 mole of carbon dioxide means 1 carbon is there here. So 6 into 1, carbon is 1. 6. 4 mole of water. Hydrogen is 2 over here. The 4 into 2, you will get 8. 1 mole of nitrogen. How many nitrogen is there? 2. So 1 into 2. 1 mole of N2 given. 1 into 2. Coming what? 2. Now, what is the, if you don't want to do 1 into 2, just leave it also. No problem. What is the formula coming? So carbon is 6. Okay. Hydrogen is 8. Okay. Nitrogen is 1 and 2. Okay. So this is the formula. Either you will do 1 into 2 or directly you will write 1 mole of nitrogen is N2. And this is the molecular formula for this compound. Dumas method done. Say frankly, understanding sir. See, understood this total chapter contain formula. At the last I will write all the formula at one page. Don't worry. And you will take that formula and try to learn all the time. Casual method coming, any method coming, you will use that formula directly. Next method we will have. And next method we will have is very important method. Every method is very important, sir. We have Casual something spelling. We will pronunciate Casual method. What we will do in that Casual method? First of all, 2 to 3 things we have to know. It is also used to find percentage of nitrogen in organic compound. It means 2 methods to find the percentage. One is Dumas method, one is Casual method. Now, over here, one reaction you have to know. Some organic compound is there. That organic compound react with H2SO4 in presence of CuSO4. It will give NH4 whole twice SO4. This is little bit impure. That impure will react with NaOH. It will give aqueous NH3. Then that aqueous NH3 will react with H2SO4 and it will give NH4 whole twice SO4 pure. So simply you have to know in Casual method something we are getting pure as a NH4 whole twice SO4. You don't want to learn all the reaction, no need to learn it. Just know that part. Now over here, what is the formula we will use? Percentage of nitrogen is 1.4 into normality. N means normality into volume in milliliter divided by weight of organic compound. That's it. Learn this formula, put the result, you will get the answer. I will dictate the question also. Previously we have learned the formula for Dumas method. P minus P1 by T1 bracket close V1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. For Liebig method, and percentage of nitrogen is 28 by 22400 into volume in milliliter V2 by weight of organic compound. So like that I will write in the last. Don't worry, don't panic. Over here, very important point you will write कि case-study method, or they will write test also, is not given by first nitro compound. Direct question asking कि which of the following will not give Cage-Dull test. First you will check which one is nitro compound. Nitro compound means that compound that contain NO2 in that. Second part is azo compound. What is azo compound? The compound that will contain N double bond N inside the ring. Third one is nitrogen in ring. What do you mean by that? You have seen pyridine, something like that, pyrrole, everything present. Nitrogen in ring, nitrogen in ring. These types of compound will not give Cage-Dull test. Direct question asking in NEET and JEE, you will see direct, you will have to use it. Now, with the help of this formula, we are going to do one question to understand this topic very easily and properly. Some question we will solve. What we will get? First question. During the estimation of nitrogen, Cage-Dull method, directly I will write percentage of nitrogen equals to 1.4 into normality into volume in milliliter divided by weight of organic compound. Now I will search what is given in the question. Ammonia is evolved of 0.5 gram of compound and the weight of organic compound is 0.5. In neutralized by 10 ml. Oh, volume is 10 ml. Acha, normality not given, molarity given. You didn't know, then you will come to know कि normality equals to NF factor into molarity. And what is NF factor? NF factor for H2SO4 is number of H plus ions. So how many H plus ion is? 2. Normality is 1. So 2 into molarity 1. The normality will become what? 2. Direct use the formula. Percentage of nitrogen is 1.4. Normality is, how much normality? 2, sir. Volume is 10. Weight of organic compound 0.5. This decimal gone. From here out you will get 5 2 ja 10, 14 2 ja 28 and into 2 is 56%. Question done. Understood, sir. The easy question. Formula. At last I will write all the formula also. Don't worry about it now. Next question. They are saying in the Cage-Dull method. First I will write formula without seeing the question. Percentage of nitrogen is 1.4 into normality into volume in milliliter divided by weight of organic compound. Now I will see the question. In Cage-Dull method, the gas evolved from 1.7. W value is given 1.731 gram. Sample of fertilizer is passed through 50 ml of 0.2 molarity H2SO4 and 25 ml of 0.19 normality of NaOH. Sorry, this is not 1.9. This is 0.10 normality of NaOH. Oh, 2 things is given. It means, understood the point. We need over here normality, no problem, but we also know one formula कि normality equals to number of gram equivalent by volume of solution in liter. Those who didn't know, just write it. From here you will say कि sir, number of gram equivalent equals to normality into volume. It means this formula can be changed like this also if you want. Percentage of nitrogen is 1.4 into gram. I will write bottom side. Over here you can write percentage of nitrogen formula is 1.4 into a number of normality into volume will be gram equivalent divided by weight of organic compound. No problem. Why you have done it over here? Problem is that over here H2SO4 is there, NaOH is there. Some of the compound is getting neutralized. What is getting neutralized? So what I will say, I have in this question, what I have 50 ml of, I have 50 ml of 0.20 normality of H2SO4. Over here, if I will use normality equals to number of gram equivalent by volume, what I will get? I will get number of normality is given 0.20, number of gram equivalent by volume is given in milliliter, convert that into liter. So 50 by 1000, it getting cancelled, it is coming 0.05. So from here, what I will get? Gram equivalent is equals to 0. Over here no space, but this I will solve over here. You will see, you know that now already. From here I will solve it there on the bottom, and this question I will solve after that. So next page I am solving. What I have got? Number of gram equivalent is equals to 0.20 this side and 0.005. That I have done only. Now don't get panic. These two I have multiplied it. What I will get? Over here this decimal gone, this decimal gone, coming 100, coming 100. We are getting 5 2s are 10, 100 by 100 so into 100. This cancelled. Number of gram equivalent 0.01 coming for H2SO4. Similarly, second part they have given 25 ml of 0.10 normality of NaOH. What I will get from here? I will get normality equals to, again, gram equivalent by volume. I will say gram equivalent equals to normality into volume. Normality is given 0.10, but volume is given in milliliter. So 25 by 1000 we will get in liter. Understood the point? Over here also I converted, not 50 by 1000. Over here this decimal gone, coming 100, this 0 gone. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 0. You will get number of gram equivalent of NaOH is 1 by 400. If you will divide it, what you will get? 1 divided by 400, approximately 0.0025. Now 0.01 is H2SO4, 0.0025 is NaOH. So after neutralization, what is the left? The number of gram equivalent left is 0.01 minus, it is left because someone is getting neutralized, 0.01 minus 0.0025. So it is coming how much? Minus 0.0025. It is coming 0.0075. This is used. A formula is percentage of nitrogen is equals to 1.4 into gram equivalent upon weight of organic compound. Acha, problem is that whenever you are writing the gram equivalent over here, in place of that what you have written? Normality into volume in milliliter, and this is coming in liter. To convert that into milliliter, multiply this with 1000, so 75 1 2 3 4 7.5 milliliter you will get. So put the value in milliliter because volume is in milliliter. So 1.4 into 7.5 divided by weight of organic compound is 1.731. If I will divide it, approximately 6.60% I will get, and this is the percentage of nitrogen. Understanding? If not, then see once, also see, please once see. Over here problem is that two things is given, so we can't use directly. First of all, how both is acid given or both is base given, then we will use directly. But one is acid, one is base, and acid base neutralized, so some of the part will go in neutralization only. Understood? Now next question we have. This question they are saying that we will have the percentage of organic compound. Oh sir, this is W. Contain neutralization of 30 ml. Acha, volume given, normality given, H2SO4 given, but previously molarity given. Here normality direct. Percentage of nitrogen formula 1.4 into normality into volume in milliliter, divided by weight of organic compound. So 1.4 normality directly given 0.25, volume directly given milliliter 30 and 0.75. Solve it. What is the answer coming? That is the percentage of nitrogen by using the Kagidal method. Understanding? Very complicated questions? No sir. So I hope now, once getting confused, please request, I am solving too much question, only one request, please try to see it second times. Understood? So we have seen two part. First, Liebig method to find the percentage of carbon over there in the Liebig. Achha, at last I will write all, here I will write again and again. Either it will take time. I will use the formula Liebig method is equals to, what is the formula we have got? Percentage of carbon is 12 by 44 into weight of carbon dioxide by weight of organic compound into 100. W1 is weight of carbon dioxide. This is for CO2. This is for organic compound. Then percentage of hydrogen is 2 by 18 into weight of water by weight of organic compound into 100. This is for H2O. This is for organic compound. Then we have seen the next method, and the name of the method is Dumas method. Dumas method. In Dumas method, what is the formula we have seen? We have seen the formula for Dumas method is P minus P1 upon T1 into V1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. P2 is already given 760, always fixed. It is given 273. V2 you have to find in milliliter. This you have to find it. P1 is always the pressure given. Don't see what is pressure written here. Any place aqueous tension written. This is T. C, which where the temperature written, that is T1. C, where the volume written, that is V1. Dumas method. After finding the V2, you will use the formula percentage of nitrogen is 28 by 22400 into V2 in milliliter divided by weight of organic compound into 100. This is Dumas method. After knowing that, these two we have known. After knowing the Dumas method, handwriting is going to be bad, but trust me, I am here to make you understood, not handwriting. Then percentage of nitrogen is 1.4 into normality into volume in milliliter upon weight of organic compound, and otherwise percentage of nitrogen is 1.4 is equals to number of, don't write gram equivalent, milligram equivalent. Milligram equivalent. Why sir? Because milliliter, na, to milli it will come, divided by weight of organic compound. Solve into 100. No need to do, because 100 I have already multiplied. After solving this, you will get the percentage of nitrogen. Milli means milliliter, we will have to remind it. Understood? So this PDF is only important for those who are studying this. And don't say ki we are getting confused with the handwriting. No, handwriting is okay. Try to understand. Okay? Okay sir. Okay. So I hope you understood how to find this. Now we will have the last part, not last, second last, third last topic. That is, next part is coming, Carriers method. This topic I don't want to dictate with very good handwriting, so I am writing all the time. At last, whenever I will write the formula, everyone will take the formula, write it on one page and try to find it. Okay, now I am not going to do the question. I have dictated you how to apply this formula in the question. Directly I am writing the formula. If you have any doubt, you can ask me over there. 9267937718. Don't call on this number, just message. I will dictate you if you have any question, doubt at any time. So for those who reach up to this, only they will get the number. So in the beginning I am not giving. For finding the percentage of chlorine, bromine, iodine, sulfur and phosphorus, that's it. Carriers method is used to find the percentage of chlorine, bromine, iodine, sulfur and phosphorus. Then topic will be done. Understood? Okay sir. Now just you have to know what in the case of chlorine, what is coming in the last part? AgCl. That you only have to know. What is the reaction? I am not going to write. In the case of bromine, what is coming in the last part? AgBr. In the case of iodine, what is coming in the last part? What is last part? I will dictate you. Just wait. In the case of sulfur, what is coming in the last part? BaSO4. And in the case of phosphorus, what is coming in the last part? The two things is coming in the case of phosphorus. One thing and they will give in the question, don't worry. Either Mg2P2O7, okay, or in the case of phosphorus, you will get phosphoammonium molybdate. Another things coming in the what I am writing, just wait, don't panic, sir, we are not panicking it. NH4 whole thrice PO4 12 MOO3. Those who have seen qualitative analysis, they already know about this. Okay. Now, what I will do, understood the point. If I have to find the percentage of chlorine, what I will do? First, I will Carriers method. What is the method name? Carriers method. First, I will write weight of chlorine. What is the weight of chlorine? 35.5. Then I will write weight of AgCl. So I have written this, and their weight coming 143.5 into weight of organic compound upon weight of given compound upon weight, which weight? AgCl weight given, this is molecular weight, into 100. It is similar to percentage of carbon. What you are doing? 12 by 44 into W1 by W into 100. Then again percentage of hydrogen. What you are doing? 12 by 18 into W2 by W into 100. W1 is the weight of carbon dioxide, W2 is the weight of water. Similarly over here for percentage of chlorine, 35.5 weight of chlorine upon AgCl weight 143.5 weight of AgCl upon weight of organic compound into 100. Acha, I'm now understood. Suppose percentage of bromine I will ask. What you will write? Sir, weight of bromine, what is 80? Weight of AgBr, sir, 188. Easy to learn? Yes, sir. It may, and then given weight of AgBr, W1, by given weight of organic compound into 100. Oh, for this you have written, acha sir, I understood now. If I have to find the percentage of iodine, it is easy to learn, understanding the point, na? The Liebig method and Carriers method same. Only in the middle two is coming, Kagedal method and Dumas method. That formula you have to learn. Remaining, each and every formula will be same design. Over here for AgI, what you will write? Mass of iodine by mass of AgI, it is 235 into W1 weight of AgI, it will be given in the question, by weight of organic compound into 100. If I have to find the percentage of sulfur, what I will do? Acha, weight of sulfur I will write. What is the weight of sulfur, sir? 32, sir. Now what is coming? BaSO4. So what is the weight of BaSO4? 233 into given weight of organic compound, given weight of BaSO4, something weight of BaSO4 is given weight of organic compound into 100. That's it. 32 by 233 into W1 by W. W1 is BaSO4 given weight, W is weight of organic compound. If I have to find the percentage of phosphorus, so check in the product they will write. Either they have written this or they have written this. If they have written this, then what is the formula you will use? Weight of phosphorus. Phosphorus is weight 31. But in this part, how many phosphorus is there, sir? 2 phosphorus is there. So 31 into 2 is 62. By weight of Mg2P2O7 is 222 into weight given of Mg2P2O7 by W into 100. Sir, every place you are writing one weight because in AgCl only one Cl, only one Br, only one I, only one S sulfur. But over here 2 phosphorus, so 2 weight I have written. So 62 by 222 by W1 by W weight of organic compound into 100. Acha, second formula they have given NH4 whole thrice. NH4 whole thrice PO4. How many phosphorus? Sir, only one phosphorus. So what I will use the formula? Sir, 31 by weight of NH4 whole thrice PO4 12 MOO3 is, I have already calculated, 1877 into given weight of NH4 whole thrice PO4 12 MOO3 by weight of organic compound into 100. This their weight is W1. Understood the point? Everyone, does I have to take some more revision? No. And in any question coming, put the formula, get the result like this. I don't want to waste the time on writing the question. And this is all about the Dumas method, Kagedal method, as well as Carriers method and Liebig method. So first what you will write, again last time revision, if I will write Liebig, sir, don't do revision, time is wastage, okay, leave it. So Liebig method, just I am saying with the orally, Liebig method is used for the estimation of carbon hydrogen. Percentage of carbon is 12 by say 44 into W1 by W into 100. Percentage of hydrogen 2 by 18 into W1 by W into 100. W1 and W2 are W1 is CO2 weight given in the question, W2 is the water weight given in the question. Dumas method, P minus P1 into V1 by T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. Percentage of nitrogen after getting V2, percentage of nitrogen is 28 by 2240 into volume in milliliter by W into 100. Like that I have dictated percentage of nitrogen by Kjeldahl method, 1.4 into normality into volume in milliliter by weight of organic compound, and normality into volume is also written as number of milligram equivalent. And remaining Carriers method is similar as Liebig method, only you have to know कि Cl will give AgCl, Br will give AgBr, I will give AgI, sulfur will give BaSO4, and phosphorus will give Mg2P2O7, and another it will give, if it is given in the compound then use this formula, and if it is given in the compound then use this formula. In this formula I am not doing anything, I am writing the phosphorus weight 2 times phosphorus upon total weight and into W1 by W into 100. Over in the exam you are not learning ki 32 by 233 coming, so you will learn only ki sulfur is 32, and in this part we are getting BaSO4, their molecular weight here, given weight of BaSO4 given in the question, W by 100 into 100. Understood? I hope so. And this is the first topic where I have written very bad handwriting. Trying, but very bad handwriting I have written, but if you will see it very properly, you are able to understand it very, very, very clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day, have a nice morning, have a nice evening, have a nice afternoon whenever you are watching this video, and please see it 1 or 2 times. You are able to understand the things what I am trying to dictate you, and then solve the given question in JEE or assignment, any place you have, and try to get it. If any question not coming, ask to me, I will dictate it.